So here we are in your living area. Usually in homes you get those rectangular kitchens. Because this room has a very big window. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधे डेवलपर्स। अनलाइक अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स जहाँ पे लिस्टिंग करते हैं ब्रोकर्स और एक इंक्वायरी पे आपको आते हैं मल्टीपल कॉल्स फ्रॉम मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स। हाउसी पे ऐसा नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ। और आज हाउसी पे मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक अमेजिंग एंड स्ट्रेटेजिकली वेरी वेल कनेक्टेड एंड अमेजिंग लोकेशन वाली प्रॉपर्टी। अब मैं लोकेशन की बात कर ही रही हूँ तो लेट मी टेल यू दिस इज लोकेटेड एट केशव नगर मुंडवा which has amazing access again to Kalyani Nagar, Koregaon Park and also to Kharadi and to Wagholi areas and Viman Nagar. So malls, multiplexes and schools and colleges, everything and even IT parks are very close by to the vicinity. What project am I talking about? I am talking about Q914 और मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ इनका सैम्पल फ्लैट जो है अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1047 स्क्वायर फीट का। It has been made and designed in such a beautiful manner that I already lost all my senses. You have to follow me so that we can take a look. Let's go. Right here, we are standing at the entrance of the sample flat, and at the entrance, they have given you a video door phone for your safety and security. उसी के साथ साथ your door can be opened with this digital lock, with your fingerprint, with your numeric lock, digital key, and also a physical key. यहाँ पर जब हम घर के अंदर एंटर करते हैं तो यू विल नोटिस दैट यू हैव एन एंट्रेंस लॉबी व्हिच हैज गुड स्पेस फॉर योर शू रैक्स एंड स्टोरेज यूनिट्स. The size of this entrance lobby is of approximately 5 by 4.6, which I think is more than enough for shoe racks and storage cabinets. यहाँ पर हम अंदर आते हैं and we realize that the house is actually a butterfly concept home. मतलब एक बेडरूम एक साइड पे है और बाकी के बेडरूम्स दूसरे साइड पे हैं. तो हम पहले लिविंग एरिया देखते हैं, then we will come back, we will check out the guest bedroom and then we will check out the rest bedroom. So here we are in your living area. The living space exclusively is of 17 by 11 square feet, which is excluding the dining area. The dining is a separate entity. So this space 17 by 11 seems to be very spacious and उसी के साथ साथ इतना spacious होने के बावजूद it has a very big balcony as well. The balcony width is as good as your living area, because of which it feels like an additional unit to your living area in itself. It is of 11 by 4.6 square feet and it comes with these anti-skid wooden finished ceramic tiles which also have a long life, and it also has this iron railing. These sliding doors also come with a pre-fitted mosquito net, which is an added advantage, I must say. Now let's move towards the dining area. This exclusive place that comes as an L shaped with your living area is called your dining area, and it is of approximately 8.5 by 5.5, which is in addition to your living room, which is again a good point. अब एक काम करते हैं, first we'll go and check out the bedroom and then I'll show you the kitchen. Butterfly concept हमें थोड़ा कुछ अलग होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर हम आते हैं into the first bedroom of the house, which is of 13.1 by 10.8 square feet. This is your attached toilet and bath to it, which is of approximately 4.6 by 7.2 square feet. It comes with anti-skid tiles and there is also a tile drop to separate wet and dry areas, and the wall has granite tiles and the CP sanitary fittings. Come on inside and let's take a look now. Because this room has a very big window, and it is of course a sliding window that comes with a mosquito net, but the size of this window is a little different than the regular windows. Because it is a low lying window, uski wajah se the light that comes inside is ample, and also ventilation stays from lower levels up to upper levels. So that is one very good point that I really liked about the house. अब चलते हैं हम किचन की तरफ. ये रहा आपका किचन. The kitchen is of approximately 10 by 11.6 square feet. That's right, 10 by 11.6. मतलब again, it's very big. And one thing that I really liked about the kitchen also is that it is a square kitchen. Usually in homes you get those rectangular kitchens जहाँ पे there is a lot of congested space, you cannot move. This square kitchen comes with an L-shaped granite slab right over here, and it ends at a quad sink. And I'm sure you know what a quad sink is and the difference between a stainless sink and a quad sink, because these have a better life and they are actually more usable. Along with that, आपको kitchen में मिल जाएंगी ये modular trolleys भी. The kitchen and hob does not, the gas and hob does not come with it. The chimney doesn't come, but the modular kitchens are ready. Now this area that you're seeing over here is the enclosed dry utility area. So it is separated by this slab over here. They have provided you a provision for your washing machines and also this really big window. When I'm calling it a really big window, that is because one thing, it's sliding, it has a mosquito net, लेकिन ये ऊपर का पार्ट और नीचे का पार्ट is fixed. लेकिन फिर भी उसको ग्लास रखा हुआ है ताकि रोशनी बनी रहे, because the kitchen should always be well lit. Along with that, there is this extra window over here which can be used for your exhaust fans also. Let's proceed towards the rest of the house, and before we go over there, let me also tell you कि हाउसी पे सैम्पल फ्लैट वीडियोस के साथ साथ आप देख सकते हैं 360 डिग्री टूर्स भी, actual location tours, project overview videos, pros and cons videos, and a lot. Now, if there is anything that was left, that is the pricing details, possession details, EMI details, down payment details, maintenance details, ये सब भी मिल जाएंगे. All you need to do is नीचे caption में mention किया हुआ एक link, आपको करना है उस पर click. उससे you will get registered on Housey and you will get to know everything else that you need to know, and you can also book your project site visit. You can book your house absolutely brokerage free. Let's proceed into the rest of the house. From this dining area right into this aisle area, we're going to first of all take a look at the common washroom, which is right over here. The common toilet is of approximately 4.6 by 7.3 square feet, and it also comes with these anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. The CP sanitary fittings are of course a part of the standard flat furnishings. Uske samne, kids bedroom, because there is good access. Common toilet, kids bedroom. Come on, let's take a look at this one. This one is of 12 by 10.4 square feet, and it again comes with the similar kind of window that we just saw. The low-lying one with the mosquito net, ताकि आपको मिले ढेर सारी रोशनी और ढेर सारी लाइट भी. Master bedroom के लिए you have to wait for another 1 minute because I still have to tell you a little more, that is specifically about Q914. That this property is going to come up in a total land parcel of 4 acres, and there are going to be total of 4 towers, out of which one is going to be a Mahara tower, but yes, 3 towers are available for you. अब master bedroom में जा सकते हैं हम. This one is of approximately 13.1 by 10.4 square feet. Before you take a look at the balcony, I want you to first take a look at the toilet, because this one is 4.6 by 7.9 and it is a little different from the common toilet that we just saw. The tiles are different, but the anti-skid flooring still remains. And this is my favorite part about the master bedroom. The master balcony, opening with this sliding door, and it comes with a mosquito net, of course. But this one is a little more calmer than the one that we saw in the living room. The size is 10 by 3.6 approximately. The tiling is again of wooden vitrified ceramic tiles. It is again covered from 3 sides, and it again has an iron railing. But the best part is that because it is in the master bedroom, it becomes your private balcony. So I am going to indulge into this, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Q914 located in Mundwa, Pune by Unique Properties and Choice Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.